All right, today we're diving into the swing away heat press to get you those pro-level results. So, if you're printing on tricky stuff like hoodies, the right machine is key to success. So, what is a swing away press? Well, its key feature is that the heat source moves aside. This gives you a safe, open workspace, unlike clamshells where the heat is always right there. But before you even turn it on, a few quick checks will guarantee a smooth, safe operation. First, make sure you've got enough room. Then, check the swing motion, brake, and emergency stop. Yeah, a 16 by 20 press needs this much room to swing, so definitely measure your space first. Okay, let's get into it. We've broken the whole process down into 5 super simple steps. First, swing that hot upper platen completely away from your work area. That creates a safe space. Now you have unlimited time to perfectly position your garment without any risk of getting burned. Now here's a crucial tip. Tape the corners of your transfer. This prevents any shifting or ghosting. Cover that design with a protective sheet, then just swing the heat platen back over the garment. Engage the brake to lock it down. The timer's going to kick in and start its countdown. When the timer's done, the auto-open feature releases the brake and swings the platen away. Easy. And this table shows it perfectly. See how temps and times really change for these thicker items? But hey, even with a great setup, you might run into some issues. Here's how to fix them. Okay, so what if the press moves after you've locked it? This is a really common one. The cause is usually worn or just plain dirty brake parts, so adjust the mechanism or clean it. Another issue is when that heat platen starts swinging closed on its own while you're working. That usually points to weak gas springs that need replacing or a mechanism that needs some lubrication. You know, a little bit of maintenance goes a long way. Let's cover a simple schedule. Daily, just check the swing motion. Weekly, give the shaft a little lubrication. Monthly, inspect the bearings. So the key takeaway is pretty clear. This machine trades space for some serious safety and precision. With all this, you can now confidently tackle those challenging, high-value items you've wanted to make.